Hey guys, in this video we are going to see, Introduction to PLC. PLC stands for Programmable Logic Controller. The introduction of PLCs revolutionized industrial automation by providing a flexible and robust alternative to traditional relay-based control systems. For introduction we need to see basic components in PLC. 1. CPU, Central Processing Unit. The brain of the PLC, responsible for executing control programs and coordinating communication between various components. 2. Input modules. These modules receive signals from sensors, switches, and other devices in the field and convert them into digital or analog signals that the PLC can process. 3. Output modules. These modules receive commands from the CPU and control actuators such as motors, valves, and relays based on the logic programmed into the PLC. 4. Memory. PLCs have various types of memory, including program memory, where the user's control logic is stored, data memory, for storing variables and values, and system memory, for internal operations. 5. Programming software. PLCs are programmed using specialized software, often using ladder logic, which resembles electrical relay logic diagrams. Other programming languages like function block diagram, FBD, and structured text, STREET, are also commonly used. 6. Communication interfaces. PLCs often include communication ports for connecting to other devices such as human-machine interfaces, HMIs, supervisory control and data acquisition, SCADA, systems, or other PLCs for networking and data exchange. 7. Power supply. PLCs require a stable power source to operate reliably. Redundant power supplies may be used for critical applications to ensure continuous operation in case of a power failure. PLCs offer several advantages over traditional relay-based control systems, including flexibility, ease of programming and troubleshooting, scalability, and the ability to integrate with other automation systems. They have become indispensable tools in modern industrial automation, playing a crucial role in improving efficiency, reliability, and safety in manufacturing and processing industries.